Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you this awesome little MP3 player. I got this for my kids, and I'm gonna show you it in action. So begin with, my kids fight all the time about the music, and that's how they clean. They clean to music. So I got this for my youngest. She is 6 years old, and she absolutely loves this. Besides the adorable design, it's very user-friendly. She actually showed me how to use this MP3 player. It's pretty good quality too. We did get different headphones for it, but we really appreciate this. And now my daughter can sing and dance to her own music, and there is no problem from my other kid. There are also a couple of other features that I liked. You can record in this, and it's super easy to put your music on it. All you have to do is download it on a little chip, which you have to buy separately. And now my kid has her special playlist with every single song that she wants on here. Also, there is an option to put it on speaker if your child does want. So I highly recommend this, but that's just my point of view.